Hey guys, this is Dinosaur and today it's day 30 of Inktober. So the dinosaur on the list for today is the Stegosaurus. So we're gonna be drawing the Stegosaurus and it's Saturday, so it's tutorial day today. I didn't really do an awesome job on this drawing, but again, it only took me 30 minutes and it wasn't meant to be a great drawing, it was just meant to be a tutorial. So before we're gonna get into the video, it seems like a lot of you guys are not subscribed even though you do watch a lot of my videos. So if you like my content and you don't want to miss a single video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss a single video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys probably the easiest Stegosaurus that you've ever drawn. At least I'm gonna try to show you guys. So yeah, let's start. You want to start with an oval. That's step one. Step one is just drawing shapes like this oval right here. And there's gonna be an oval right here for the head. And it's gonna be placed like a little bit down from the middle and a little bit to the right. And then we want to put in two more ovals for the shoulders. So these are going to be the shoulders. And now we want to draw another oval right here. That is sort of going like this. Oh, well, alright, so this oval should be a little bit farther back in my opinion, because we want to still be able to kind of get something out of it. So we want to draw a line like this and then an oval attached to that line. And it doesn't have to be perfect at all. So now we want to figure out what height this Stegosaurus would be standing on. And we're just gonna draw a line that goes like this. Like, just try and draw in the basic shapes, I guess, for the legs. Just stick figure legs. Alright. So now we wanna put the tail in. So the tail is gonna be slanted down a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit more like this. It's not, you cannot really see too much of it, but this is what you can see of the tail. Alright. So I'm not sure which step we are. So this is just still step one, getting the basic shapes in, and yeah, like this. So now you want to sort of refine the you want to get the arms in and the legs. So we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna draw the knee right here. Alright, so this one can just be darkened in later because we don't really have to put detail in it or draw any kind of well, yeah, shape attached to it. It's just a straight line going down. So now for the head, so this is still step two, I guess. I'm sort of losing count. Wait, actually, I wanna make his knee, get his knee up a little bit higher, like this, right, like that. So yeah, for his head, I wanna draw it with an open mouth. So I'm gonna draw a line right here, and then I'm just gonna draw shape like this. This is gonna be the snout, and then I wanna draw an eye bridge over there. Make his head a little bit wider. And now for the bottom jaw, I want to draw it like this. And this might be a little bit harder for you guys, for some of you guys at least. So I would just suggest to draw it with his mouth closed. And the way that you would draw the Stegosaurus with a closed mouth is basically, this is the oval shape for the head. You can just draw a shape like this, and that's all. That's literally all that you need. And the only thing that you would need to draw is like the eye ridge over there, and then just a straight line to this side going down, and then you would just have to draw an eye ridge over here, and you would have to draw a triangle, and then a triangle going down, and 2 nostrils on both sides. And this is basically all that you need to do to draw the head of the Stegosaurus. And there we have Stegosaurus head roughly drawn in, and if you would attach the neck, it would look something like that. But okay, let's continue on. So in my opinion, my head does look a little strange, a little scary, but we'll deal with it. Right, something like this, and you can add a little bump for the neck if you want to, but you can also leave it. So, alright, so maybe I made the head a little bit too small. You can change it as well if you want to. It does look a little bit better with a larger head, I guess. So, yeah, I'm just gonna draw the head to be a little bit larger, because I just thought that it looks a little bit silly. My version, at least. It's not gonna be much larger, it's just gonna be a tiny little bit larger. And everything is still the same. The way that you draw it is just still the same. And the eye is gonna be about over there. So this looks a little bit better. But it still does look a little bit strange because there's not any spikes on the body of the Stegosaurus yet, but it will change in a bit. And maybe we're just gonna change that later on. So this is step 2, refining all the shapes and getting them in right. And now we want to start, so this is gonna be step 3. We're just gonna start on adding some spikes. Alright, so yeah, let's get into doing the spikes with a little bit more detail. So the shape would be doing like this, basically, and it would just have like a little taper over here. And I don't really like this leg, so we are going to change it. It's sticking out way too much. It should be a little bit closer to the body because of the perspective that we're looking at it, like so. And yeah, this should be fine. And I'm gonna change like the calf muscle as well, because it just stands out too much. So this is looking way better. Alright, so the tail would be attached like this over here, and we would be able to see a couple of those plates going up the tail, not too many of them. And over here, it's just the same, just taper them down over there a little bit. So now, if you would like to add color to your drawing, what you could do is you could erase everything and then go over it with the same pencil but just sharpen it a little bit, or you can erase it and go over it with a pen and then ink it, or like yeah, you can just use colored pencils. But this is the very basics of how to draw a Stegosaurus, and I'm just gonna erase it and I'm just gonna go in with ink and that will be in time lapse. But you can still follow along, but it's just gonna be a little bit quicker, a little bit harder. So you might want to say that it's for the more advanced people that follow me on my channel. But yeah, it's all up to you. You can follow along if you really want to. So yeah, this was Dinosaur Drawer, and if you liked the video, leave a like, comment below what you think about the video and the drawing in general, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss a single video. So goodbye.